Dr. Amitav Banerjee Garu to kindly share his views with us.
Thank you everyone. Thank you Dr. Padmavati for giving me this platform. Thank you Dr. Annie. Thank you Dr. Dhompe and for organizing this, and of course thanks Praveen Saxena. Actually he said I will give you Hyderabadi biryani, so I came for the biryani. They did give me prepared. So now I have to deliver the talk. Anyway, how many of you have 5 years हो गए 5 साल पहले? How many of you maybe just children 5 years back? All of you remember the pandemic?
Yes.
Everybody remembers.
Everyone started seeing Netflix and all that after.
So I'll just, because once we are going to talk of say COVID vaccine, any vaccine, we have to give the background also. What was the indication? Was it, how serious it was? What the data showed? Actually with data. Because most of the data got lost. In the media took over. Doctors were behind. And doctors with data were much behind. Other doctors took over. People who practice. Ozone and other things.
Apes doctor took off.
Whatever it is. So I am just an epidemiologist. I do not practice. I analyze data. So but nobody listens to such doctors. So data is very dry. The fear is sensational. The media gets TRP. Deadly. So I'll just go through it, how it happened, so that you people do not go into fear in the next pandemic. One of the most important thing in public health is allay fear. There should be no fear. Fear brings down the immunity. Fear causes stampede. You see, second wave was stampede. I keep saying second wave, people die not of COVID because of stampede. Doctors, nurses were not seeing patients. Even people with heart disease, they were not seeing. Many people died of comorbidities which could have been treated, which got labeled as COVID test. Because itna fear kar diya na. Doctors, nurses who are not supposed to be afraid of disease, medical colleges बंद कर दिया. 2 साल medical students को घर भेज दिया. कल अगर लड़ाई लग जाता है, if there is a war with Pakistan, will you close down the military training centers? आप कहते हो आप कोविड वॉरियर्स है, तो आप मेडिकल स्टूडेंट्स आर फ्यूचर डॉक्टर्स and they were not at risk also. We will give you the data. So these all created panic. Common person will think यार देखो मेडिकल कॉलेज बंद हो गया, डॉक्टर लोग नहीं देखे तो हमारा तो जान खतरे में है. And they really did not see patients who could have been saved. Stampede. Everybody, you may be remembering second wave में people were booking their beds in the hospitals. की bed नहीं मिलेगा. अपने bed servant को जाके book कर. You also did it? Why you are nodding? How do you know? Experienced it. They were hoarding oxygen cylinders. So artificial shortage होगा नहीं. Genuine patients died. I know I was in hospital that time. I used to go daily. I know that young people were sent home and we were going there. I did not even wear mask. I got COVID also. Nothing happened. I didn't know I had COVID. Later I had very high antibodies. Then I was elderly that time. Now I am 72. That time I was 68. I used to go to college, talk to the students. I said, any student coming to me with mask, I will fail. और आपने हाई स्कूल में पढ़ा है वायरस रुकता है मास्क से. You are going anti-science. Does the virus stop by mask? It is anti-science, but you are hypnotized. बल्कि गंदा इकट्ठा होता है यहाँ पे. All those bags in the summer. Mucormycosis क्या हुआ? Can you think? और फंगस इन्फेक्शन विद बैट May June we had such mucormycosis. साइनस के पास है, कोई बात नहीं करता है. जो बात करेगा उसको सेंसर कर देते हैं. All created due to panic. So we'll just rapidly show the first slide. So we'll just discuss how the pandemic evolved and how the pandemic behaved differently in different parts of the world. What was happening in the West was not happening in India, but the propaganda from the West came to India. And what was the impact of vaccination? There is a model and there is always there, the official position is that COVID vaccine saved millions of lives. I will show actual world data, which this presentation I had presented on 1st March last year, 2024, on invitation from AIIMS New Delhi and National Academy of Medicine. manage the highest medical institution, that I am presenting this data. Anyone can rebut it. My mail is there. I have waited more than 1 year. Nobody has rebutted it. It is on record on their website also. This presentation, I will just share the link of the presentation. So we'll just see what will be the features. Next slide. So this is actually, we come to the Gita. I am not a very spiritual person. I had not read the Gita in such depth, but this was pointed out to me a Professor Emeritus from Switzerland, Burcher, Johannes Burcher. So he said it is in your Gita, there are 3 phases of any evolution. One is the tamas, the darkness. And the darkness started in the beginning. As I said, there was a panic. There was panic, fear, rather than science and reason. The tamas caused most of the destruction. Then comes the rajas. Tamas is darkness. New virus, nothing is known, everybody in dark. Then comes the rajas, the passion, the greed, self. Everybody wanted to make profit, including the media, including the government. Some doctors. Most of the doctors don't know. Some of them were under tamas only. They were really, I know they were really afraid. And then comes the sattva. This is the phase now we are in a cool mind. Reason, harmony. This is sattva. Most of the destruction was due to tamas and rajas. Next slide. So this is the Bhagavad Gita. Sometimes goodness prevails. Sometimes passion, rajas, ignorance. Sometimes passion dominates goodness. Ignorance, tamas is total darkness. Rajas is passion, greed, anger. Change the virus. Then ego problem ho jata. You are not ready to go back. You just want to win at all cost. Declaring war on the virus and all that. And then of course greed of commercial interest, political interest. Next. So the pandemic of panic, reminiscent of medieval era. China became the pace setter. China, everything lockdown and other things. So all the countries started from Italy to Europe and India. We suffer to the worst from authoritarian governments of China. We got the worst in this from China. And then the relay race होता है ना. चाइना ने अपना ऑथोरिटेरियन दिखाया, उसके बाद पेटेंट किसको हैंड ओवर कर दिया? द कैपिटलिज्म ऑफ द वेस्ट. सो वी गॉट द वर्स्ट ऑफ कम्युनिज्म, वी गॉट द वर्स्ट ऑफ कैपिटलिज्म. द रेस स्टार्टेड विद ऑथोरिटेरियन, देन the lethality of the virus was grossly overestimated. I will give the data. There is a lot of misconceptions about the lethality of the virus, and there is a lot of distortion in the death certificate. There is a lot of distortion in the case definition. Suppose I tell you every day 25,000 people die in India. हर दिन 25,000 deaths. This is the official statistic. 25 से 30,000 है. They are dying of various causes. We don't have public health infrastructure. We don't have normal treatment. आप कोई भी गवर्नमेंट हॉस्पिटल में देखिए, बाहर तक लाइन लगा रहता है. People are dying every day. Nobody is counting. But you start counting them and doing the RT-PCR. Anybody found with RT-PCR, he is dying of even traffic accident was labeled as COVID death. तो 25,000. अब ये वायरस जितना माइल्ड होगा उतना स्प्रेड होगा. अरे 30-40% को अगर टेस्ट करोगे तो आज के तारीख में भी मिल जाएगा RT-PCR पॉजिटिव. So if you just start testing on every patient and you say so many 1,000 death, 2,000 death, 3,000 death, you can make out 4,000 death a year and it will amplify the public panic. This was happening. आज तक we carry so many viruses. You know, you are स्कूल में पढ़ाया दिया हुआ स्ट्रेप्टोकोकस, दिया हुआ स्टेफिलोकोकस, मेनिंगोकोकस. आप थ्रोट में आप उसको केस डेफिनेशन नहीं करते. First time in history you have distorted the case definition. And you are inflating. Asymptomatic case का क्या मतलब हुआ? Asymptomatic है तो healthy है वो. So you have distorted. Number one, they distorted the case definition. Number two, they distorted the cause of death. Certification of death है. Person is dying of heart attack, you should be labeled as heart attack. Person is dying of traffic. In the Western countries, it is recorded people have died of gunshot injury. उसका आर्टिफिशियल किया, उसका गनशॉट में उसका कोविड डेथ बताया। न्यूजीलैंड में हुआ, अमेरिका में हुआ। That is how they incentive, and there was an incentive because hospitals got money for COVID cases. Hospital got money for ventilators. Western country में start हुआ, हमारे यहाँ भी start हो गए। Corporate hospitals were closed. Patients were not going to hospital for fear. I know cardiologists, my personal friend, who said every month they lost 5-6 patients of coronary artery disease because they were afraid to come to him or they did not get transport. And all were labeled as excess deaths. So that created the medical stampede. When logic and science were suppressed and the violence and entered, this lockdown had more collateral harm. It killed more people than it's the virus. And lockdown was not logical also. In the Western countries, there are big houses. In our country, people got more congested inside the houses. Even middle class houses, there are 10 people in a house, 20. Slums, they got overcrowded. Had there been no lockdown, people are working in the pavement, ठेला में, open में काम कर रहे हैं. You see how illogical it was. They closed the playgrounds, they closed the beaches. जहाँ पे ट्रांसमिशन नहीं होता है, ट्रांसमिशन इंडोर होता है. आपने सबको इंडोर रहा है, मतलब आप, I mean there is nothing. I mean you are all science students.
People were afraid to open the windows also.
वो तो एंटी साइंस जा रहा है ना. रेस्पिरेटरी इन्फेक्शंस में आपको वेंटिलेशन चाहिए, आपको आउटडोर चाहिए, आपको विटामिन डी चाहिए, आपको एक्सरसाइज चाहिए. अभी देखिए 2 साल पैंडेमिक हो गया, लॉकडाउन होता था, स्कूल्स बंद हो गए, ये बंद हो गया, पीपल ड्रॉप्ड आउट ऑफ स्कूल. देन उसके बाद आदत हो गया घर बैठने का. अभी लॉकडाउन खुल गया, फिर भी जोमेटो ओटीटी वही चल रहा है. So people are putting on weight and that is also maybe sudden death. May not be due to vaccine, maybe due to poor health. You are breaking the chain of, you did not break the chain of transmission, you broke the chain of good habits. You broke the chain of healthy lifestyle. And people have become like that. And particularly 2 साल, अगर 10 साल का बच्चा है, 2 साल, 5 साल का बच्चा है, उसका लाइफ टाइम हो जाता है. 2 साल बहुत बड़ा चंक ऑफ हिज लाइफ, उसको एक्सरसाइज देखा ही नहीं उसने. उसके अलावा क्या होता है कि when a child grows up, he or she is exposed to number of viruses and develops natural immunity. You are deprived of that. Now children are suffering from all respiratory viruses. HMPV चालू हो गया था चाइना में. HMPV अरे वो ऐसे ही, क्योंकि आपने वो उसको कहते हैं इम्यूनिटी डेथ, उधार था उसको. They have lost their training of the immune system. So all these things happen. So physical contact, social interaction, all this one here. Elderly life is about quality. People were dying lonely. अगर आरटीपीसीआर पॉजिटिव हो जाता है, उसको एक ऐसे बेड में डाल देते थे जहाँ पे नर्स है, कोई नहीं, इतने दूर दूर से दवाई फेंकते थे. मेरा खुद का रिलेटिव है, he was admitted for some other surgery. उसका सब प्रॉब्लम था, इसोफेजियल स्ट्रक्चर वगैरह था. अपोलो में कलकत्ता में भर्ती हुआ. उसको रोज आर्टिफिशियल करते थे, भर्ती के टाइम पे किया था, देन एडमिट किया था. ड्यूरिंग एडमिशन ही गॉट आर्टिफिशियल पॉजिटिव. जैसे हुआ उसको अलग वार्ड में भेज दिया, वहां पे कोई जाता ही नहीं था. एंड द पुअर पर्सन डाइड perhaps because he had some esophageal stricture and nothing, उसका कोई एयरवे क्लियर करता नहीं था. And declared as COVID death, dead body was not handed over, or they had earmarked only some crematoriums जहाँ पे कोविड केसेस जाएंगे. नेक्स्ट ऑफ किन को बॉडी नहीं हैंड ओवर करोगे, म्युनिसिपल स्टाफ ले जाएगा. म्युनिसिपल स्टाफ के पास कितने ये है फैसिलिटीज है ये करने के आपको. दे आर नॉट ट्रेन्ड फॉर दैट. सो दे वर बॉडीज लाइंड अप, इट विल लाइंड अप बिकॉज दे आर ओनली. नेक्स्ट ऑफ किन तो अपने अपने क्रेमेटोरियम जाते हैं, पता नहीं वो लाइन अप, फिर फोटो खींच लो भी, देखो क्रेमेटोरियम में लाइन लगा हुआ. बॉडीज, आई मीन द मीडिया इज सो हैप्पी टू क्रिएट, देखिए सो मेनी कोविड डेथ्स, बॉडीज फ्लोटिंग ऑन द गंजेस. अरे गंजेस में अभी भी फ्लोट करते बॉडीज. वो सोचते हैं अच्छा, आई मीन देयर इट इज वेरी इजी टू क्रिएट अ स्टोरी नाउडेज whichever way you want it. So I know उसको लाइन लगा था. He died in the afternoon. My son was there, his wife was there. It was my Sandhi, my daughter-in-law's father. उसको हैंड ओवर नहीं किया, फिर बोला इस क्रेमेटोरियम में है, और लाइन लगी थी रिलेटिव्स का, बहुत सारे बॉडीज थे. अब वो दूर से बता रहे हैं देखिए अभी आपका 8वें नंबर में जो जाएगा वो आपका, मतलब इतने दूर से, even in death they were deprived, the next of kin were harassed, they were deprived, and then they had to bribe, they wanted that as for the last rites, they had to bribe the municipal authorities कि वो as लाने के लिए भी पैसा देना पड़ा उसको. I mean all these things were happened during the, this should not happen again. Starting से ही क्वेश्चन पूछना यार इससे क्या फायदा होता है. Because पैनिक में क्या होता है, ये who is this, nobody of you I expect old timer को मालूम होगा ये वो क्रिकेटर था, ये पटौड़ी के पहले ये कैप्टन था, ये आपको मालूम होगा सर, नारी कंट्रैक्टर, ही होल्ड क्या हो,
By the way, sir is also a cricketer. He had played for Ranji.
नहीं राजे यूनिवर्सिटी. So he was the captain who took it. West Indies used to bowl very fast, Hall and Griffith. So I think Griffith was bowling very fast and उस टाइम हेलमेट नहीं होता था. उस टाइम हेलमेट नहीं होता था, क्रिकेटर फास्ट बॉल ऐसे ही फेस करते थे. उस टाइम डॉक्टर्स भी पेशेंट ऐसे ही देखते थे. अभी वो मास्क और ये वो जैसे कि अंतरिक्ष में जा रहे हैं, तो अभी क्रिकेटर्स भी ऐसे जाते हैं एज दे आर गोइंग टू द मून. इतना तब बिगर हेलमेट का होता था. तो he tapped into a bouncer. He removed his eye. There is a technique to play a bouncer, short pitch ball. You have to keep your eyes on the ball throughout and just sway like this. If you remove your eyes on the ball, if you hit and hits the cricket career खत्म हो गया. Similarly, we removed our eyes from the virus. We have to see the virus कि ये कितना lethal है, कैसा spread हो रहा है. Who are the people? So unnecessarily we went into overdrive. Very lethal, very lethal. You see, in Italy, madam, it was average rate of death which created the global panic. China में तो कुछ समझ में नहीं आता चाइना में क्या होता. इटाली में large number of deaths took place in nursing homes, and their average age of death was 80 years. 80 years में जो statistics कहता है कि 80 years का जो bedridden है, उसको common cold virus भी हो जाएगा, 7% mortality. Any virus will kill an elderly who is already got bedridden. So the COVID virus went there and it killed large number of elderly and all were labeled as COVID deaths. And Neil Ferguson made a model on some college का UK में,
Okay, sir.
Imperial College, UK. There he created a, Neil Ferguson made a model that पूरा world will finish and only vaccine will save. Already the narrative was dead. I will show you the statistics what happened after the vaccine rollout. Real statistics, madam, you are the statistician, you can tell your students to check it up from the Worldometer data, it is still there. Reconstruct the data. I have challenged the AIMS people, they have not replied to me. What actually happened on ground after the vaccine rollout, I will be showing in few slides, which a 7th class person can understand. This was presented in the Mumbai High Court also. We'll finish. We'll finish the pandemic. so this is a Nari contractor. Next. So this is an important slide. This is the eye on the ball. This is the survival rate that is from the first wave. First 3 months into the pandemic, this is the survival rate. If you see, madam, up to 69 years of age, the survival was 99.01. This was the first, and subsequent study has said that in countries like us, the mortality up to 69 years is 0.03 to 0.07%. That means there are so many diseases which are more fatal. A youngster, 39 years, 99.969 survival.
This slide I'm looking at. I mean, where is the origin of
I have
that?
given the source. After that,
Because it is a fact that there were more deaths during 22-23 compared to previous year.
yeah.
So what were the...
Why 22-23? It should have occurred during 20 then. During 20 to
I mean,
23.
the statistics that we got.
Excess deaths in 21, 20 to 23.
Hmm.
After the vaccine rollout, there were excess deaths.
No. I can't believe this, sir. I can't believe this. If the survival rate was so high, there were so many deaths happening in every hospital every day.
I explained, madam, other people are dying of other comorbidities, they are not cared for, and everything is labeled as COVID.
No, comorbidities with COVID is much more dangerous, isn't it? Otherwise, they would have survived if there was no COVID attacks.
So why you quarantine healthy people? The question is only, that was the idea of the Barrington Declaration, that people with comorbidities and the elderly should be given focus protection and let the young people, healthy people carry out their work. So this is the survival rate of 99.96. Any dengue will kill more, chikungunya will incapacitate more, TB kills 1400, 2000 children die in India from preventable causes every day. So we took one disease and every narrative was built around it. Anyway, madam, I'll just show you the slide. After the vaccine, which are in the public domain, next slide. So these are age and overweight was a major problem in India also. Majority the middle class, second wave, when most of the affluent got affected because they were very much enclosed in during the quarantine and the lockdown. After the first wave came, they came out and there were more obesity among the middle class, more smoking, alcohol, comorbidities, so they were more susceptible. So this is the data which is showing the age and overweight were the two factors. This is the data which has been compiled from 190 countries and we plotted it. Next slide. I think this will explain. If you see the topmost is the blue, this is the deaths in the Western countries earlier, deaths per million. And if you see the Japan had a very high age. Most of the Western countries had a median age above around 40 or over. But Japan had a very low death rate because of that. They did not have obesity. Their overweight was just 27.2. This is the overweight percentage. Most of the Western countries are above 60 overweight. And the African and other countries had the least impact. So obesity was a major driving factor for the deaths from COVID, then age also. Japan stands out and Brazil also. Brazil had a younger population but obesity as much as the Western countries. So this is another paper, obesity. It says obesity increases the risk of severe disease infection with COVID-19. And following obesity was the anxiety-related disorders, which was the greatest predictor of death. This is a very big data set. First was the obesity was the biggest predictor, and second predictor was anxiety. As I said, panic reactions was there. It brings down the immune system. Next. This is this is important because there are papers in Lancet which I have challenged. I have written to the Lancet also without giving any reason. We did not publish it. That according to models that except 20 real world data tells a different story. I have published this paper and I have been presenting this data for the past 5 years. Next. And there are other papers also. At the country level, there appears to be no discernible relationship percentage of population vaccinated and new COVID cases. This is from almost 68 countries and 2947 American counties. They plotted it. These slides are there. You can check this original papers also. The references are there. So it was obvious that the vaccine is not cutting down the transmission. It is spreading the transmission. And it may be causing the mutation also. The coronavirus was never known to amenable to vaccination.
Previous slide,
Previous to this. This one?
yeah, 60% of the population is vaccinated and highest COVID cases. Okay.
Yeah.
But what about deaths? You are talking about deaths.
That's also I will show. That's also I will show.
Vaccinated and deaths.
That I will show graphically. This paper I have not shown, but I have shown in my paper. Next. So this is Japan. We just did a simple thing. We almost compiled data from 190 countries regarding obesity, age. This is the data. This is data all of you can reconstitute. This data is available in Worldometer or World in Data. They were counting. So we said कि ठीक है. Let us say all the countries की vaccine. This is the vaccine rollout. Then first for the previous one, Japan का previous one. So the previous slide. This is the cases. This is the cases means vaccine rollout in April 2021. Left side is 1 year before vaccine rollout. Right side is after vaccine. All the cases in Japan was hardly having any cases, and Japan did not have a strict lockdown also. After vaccine rollout, all the cases, most of the cases occurred after the vaccine rollout. Next slide. Now about deaths. If you see deaths also, before the vaccine rollout there was one peak. After the vaccine rollout there are multiple peaks in Japan and highest peak. This is in deaths after vaccine. Next slide. Israel is a very good example because Israel was the first to vaccinate 100% of its population. Before vaccine rollout, flat. After vaccine rollout, there are peaks in cases. Now, next for the deaths. These are the deaths. If you see, before vaccine rollout, there is one peak. After vaccine rollout, there are multiple peaks. So, it is at the population level, it is not preventing deaths. This is the data, clean data, not modeling. This is the data available in the public domain. Next. Australia is the best example. और ऑस्ट्रेलिया तो इतना स्ट्रिक्ट किया था हो ही नहीं केसेस, किसी को अंदर नहीं आने दिया, और टेनिस प्लेयर को भी नहीं आने दिया, जोविक क्या नाम है, इतना स्ट्रॉन्ग कंट्रोल है, जीरो कोविड. दे रोल आउट द वैक्सीन. यू सी व्हाट हैपेंड आफ्टर वैक्सीन रोल आउट. तो जोविक हैड द लास्ट लाफ, कल तो मेरे को नहीं आने को, तो मैं तो जीतता रहूंगा आप. नेक्स्ट स्लाइड देखिए, डेथ्स देखिए ऑस्ट्रेलिया में कितना डेथ. अभी इसमें एक और चीज पता चलता है, जब उनको कोविड हुआ ही नहीं है तो ये जितने डेथ्स हो रहे हैं वैक्सीन से ही हो रहे हैं ना. कोविड होने से कोविड तो हो ही नहीं था उनके यहाँ. ऑस्ट्रेलिया इज द मोस्ट इलस्ट्रेटिव बिकॉज दे हार्डली हैड एनी कोविड. सो एनी कार्डियक डेथ यू कैन नॉट से कि कोविड वायरस से लॉन्ग कोविड से हो रहा है, बिकॉज उनके पास शॉर्ट कोविड ही नहीं हुआ तो लॉन्ग कोविड कहां से होगा. इट इज इन द पब्लिक डोमेन, डेटा गिविंग ऑल द डेथ्स इन ऑस्ट्रेलिया. नेक्स्ट, सिंगापुर सेम वैक्सीन रोल लेफ्ट साइड, राइट साइड. नेक्स्ट, ये डेथ भी देखिए, सिंगापुर में जितने डेथ हुए बाद में हुए. नेक्स्ट, मलेशिया सेम विथ मलेशिया. नेक्स्ट, मलेशिया में देखिए जितने डेथ है. नेक्स्ट, साउथ कोरिया. नेक्स्ट, डेथ देखिए ताइवान. ताइवान में ऑल्सो लॉर्डेड वेरी गुड कोविड कंट्रोल. All the cases and deaths, all the deaths after vaccine rollout. Small countries, small islands are more illustrated because उनका ज्यादा कंट्रोल होता है, आगे जाने का कोविड ट्रांसमिशन होगा. पर वैक्सीनेशन दिया सोचा सब ठीक है, देखिए क्या हाल है. नेक्स्ट, श्रीलंका सेम केसेस. नेक्स्ट, all the deaths in Sri Lanka after the vaccine, not before the vaccine. This is Nigeria. अफ्रीका में कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ा क्योंकि अफ्रीका में 5% वैक्सीनेशन कवरेज था. And the pandemic got control in Africa without any vaccination, 5% vaccination. Now the Western countries में अभी भी पीक आ रहा है, नए नए वेरिएंट का भी यूके यूएसए में फिर कोविड चल रहा है. और अफ्रीका कब कितना पहले शांत हो गया. नेक्स्ट स्लाइड. So this is conclusion. So overweight is a bigger risk factor than age suggested by outliers like Brazil and Japan. Despite review of mass vaccination can be reconsidered. Here about nothing against vaccination. By the time we finished the second wave, that was in 2021. By the time we finished the second wave, that is 2021, June, July or something, 80% of our population had developed antibodies. And that time only 5% of our people were vaccinated. That means 85-90% people were vaccinated for no reason. And there are studies from Israel which had already come earlier that natural infection gives 13 times more robust immunity than vaccine immunity. And vaccine is experimental, vaccine is not tested. So there were studies. Next. So these are mRNA vaccine. Recent Senate hearing, mRNA vaccine. 74% of deaths due to myocarditis, sudden deaths in young, have been attributed to the mRNA by autopsy studies. Here, as Dr. Donte said, we are not doing autopsy. And autopsy doesn't mean the regular autopsy. The doctor यहाँ करा रहे थे एक sweeper cut. We require very specialized autopsy. They have done autopsies. They have done very specialized autopsies because the spike protein is the culprit. Vaccine spike protein. जहाँ पे जो न्यूक्लिक एसिड रहता है, उनके कुछ अलग न्यूक्लिक एसिड रहते हैं and पूरा वायरस का बाकी न्यूक्लिक है. They have found from the different organs the spike proteins related to the vaccine rather than the whole variant. Most of the cases where there have been sudden deaths. So there are enough evidence which no government wants to admit because all governments were party to the mass vaccination. So they don't have answer to the people. Next. So these are pericarditis given. These are some of the clotting disorders. Actually, the vaccine which is used in India, that is Covishield AstraZeneca, that was suspended in 19 European countries because of more serious reactions in younger people. Below 50 years उनको नहीं दिया. अमेरिका में, USA में it was not licensed because during the trials only some of the participants got clotting disorders. So it was not licensed. And unfortunately, in our country, 85% of our population is below 40 years. They were at no risk and they were given the vaccine, which the company itself had to withdraw because of clotting disorder. The company, that was the only vaccine to date which the company has voluntarily withdrawn, Covishield. Why it has withdrawn? Company तो मानता ही नहीं है ना. अगर वो खुद मानता है means something is wrong. Next. This is the deaths are there. I have got some statistics. We had written a paper. I have got some statistics. Next. More research. Then another weak point is we require a adverse events following immunization system in our country. No adverse. You see how adverse events gets even adverse events in the serial hearing. I am giving some Australian studies. It is 1 in 800 COVID vaccine. I am talking about COVID vaccine. 1 in 800 serious adverse events, which may include that. But serious adverse events may be myocarditis or 1 in 800. That is very high. But an individual clinician will decide. Individual clinician doesn't see affected patients. उसने 1990 को वैक्सीन दे दिया, किसी को कुछ नहीं हुआ, पता ही नहीं चलेगा. एक को होगा कोइंसिडेंटल में निकल जाएगा. But when you see at the population level, suppose 100 crores have been given vaccine, they say 200 crores दो डोज दिया है, तो 20 lakhs तो कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा. 1 in 800 converts into about 20 lakhs. If you say 200 crores, 100 करोड़ में लोगों तो 10 लाख केसेस हैं जो कि सीरियस एडवर्स इवेंट, उसमें तो 2-3 लाख के डेथ्स भी हो गए होंगे. These are the estimates. ये एस्टिमेट कोई नहीं करता है. पहले एस्टिमेट कर रहे थे कि इतने कोविड डेथ हो जाएंगे, उस टाइम बड़े तगड़े एस्टिमेट कर रहे थे. वैक्सीन का कोई नहीं करता है. Because what is happening at the population level, the big data shows. And we had published a column in National Herald in December 2022, myself and Dr. Bhaskar Raman from IIT Bombay. And this a rapid study in Delhi has shown 51% respondents knew 2 or more persons who died of sudden death and strokes, cancers. Recent past, out of this 62% had taken double dose, 11% single dose and 8% unvaccinated. So anyway, this is the rough data, but we saw actual hard data. Dr. Bhaskar Raman in Mumbai, he got from Mumbai Corporation in the early 2021 after vaccine rollout, 6-fold increase in Mumbai heart attack. There was a 6-fold increase. Anyway, that is also, but if you see the global pattern, which is more concerning. England and Wales, death in 2021-22. Significant excess mortality in the 15 to 44 years age group. The young people, that is a concern because they should not die sudden death. And 31% increase. You see, madam, what happens? जब हुआ था actual pandemic जब हुआ था, say there was a high mortality, 2020-21. After 22, people should not expect excess mortality because all those who are vulnerable have died. Those who have survived, they should have developed natural immunity. So if they are dying, means something is pointing at more intervention, which may have been unnecessary. Then Australia का already I have shown. It is also mentioned कि post vaccination there was a 17% increase in sudden death for a small country. Then there is a insurance data from USA and also book by Edward Dowd who has compiled the data, and he says in 2021 and 22 84% increase in sudden death in 25 to 44 years age group, which is collaborated by insurance claims. Now the government is always citing one ICMR study. Myself and Bhaskar Raman has criticized the study, and our criticism has been published in the same journal, Indian journal, very sporting of them. They did a study, case control study, they took people who died sudden death and from the neighborhood they took the control. उसी neighborhood में जो है वैक्सीन तो सभी को लगाया है, तो हमें you have to take people who are unvaccinated and who are vaccinated, and you have got a COVID platform. You should follow forward in time, which we had suggested 3 years ago in this column, that you follow on the platform and clean data. Take the clean data, which is more convincing. Instead of that, they did a very rapid study. 600 लोगों को लिया, सडन डेथ हुआ और मोहल्ले के ले लिए और बोला नहीं ये तो वैक्सीन से तो एसोसिएशन नहीं मिलेगा, बिकॉज यू हैव ओवरमैच्ड फॉर द प्रेडिक्टर वेरिएबल. वैक्सीन वो भी उसी मोहल्ले से ले रहे हो ना, दूसरे मोहल्ले से जहाँ वैक्सीन नहीं लगा, और उसमें फिर बोलेंगे कि नहीं ये तो स्मोकिंग से हो रहा, बिंज ड्रिंकिंग से हो रहा, इससे हो रहा, उससे. अरे भाई स्मोकिंग मैंने 20 साल किया, तो 20 साल मैंने छोड़ दिया, तो आई हैव सर्वाइव. तो 20 साल अगर 20 सिगरेट 1 साल पीता, 2 साल पीता, तो 30 ईयर में थोड़ी आई वुड हैव डाइड, बिकॉज दिस थिंग्स आर टेक टाइम. Lifestyle takes time, not in the young. When a 40-year died, I can say ठीक है lifestyle. But when a 20-year dies, I cannot say lifestyle. यार lifestyle को time मिलता है यार. ये थोड़ी है आज उसने 20 दिन ही कर लिया वीकेंड में और मंडे को मर गया. I mean, it doesn't stand to reason at a population level. One odd case may die. One odd case, of course, I agree. Young people also die. Some genital, congenital, ये वो हो सकता है. But when you see the large set, from the baseline it is increasing. बिजली पहले भी होता था, 2 साल तो थोड़ी हो गया, और अगर 2 साल से होगा तो 10 साल बाद इफेक्ट होगा. These are all long term trends. आज बीज ड्रिंकिंग चालू हुआ तो कल नहीं 2 साल बाद सब डेथ्स नहीं होंगे, 20 साल बाद होंगे डेथ्स. So these are common sense questions. I am just trying to, young people should ask this question and think, and do not accept what the authorities say without questioning. Einstein had said, unquestioning respect for authority is the biggest enemy of truth. Unquestioning. आप डी मैडम को भी क्वेश्चन कीजिए. I am in a position, I know. I have abilities होने का फायदा है कि आप कुछ भी बोलो nobody can. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
The past is behind us, and we can't go back and change the past. We have already taken vaccines, and some of us are experiencing the side effects. Now, what we have to do to manage these side effects and safeguard our country? This is my question. Because youngsters, and they have long way to go, and they need to manage these side effects. How to do it?
I would say don't worry, as an epidemiologist statistician, I would say the numbers are on your side. You have got just 1 in 800 chance. So इतना chance पे आप डांस कर सकते हो. So having said that 1 in 800 also you can minimize, at least other factors you can control. That is all inside okay. Other factors are your abstain from smoking, abstain from alcohol, abstain from do physical activity. Just listening to guest lectures will make you. Don't listen to guest lectures, run away. And vote for the doctor. Saxena.
I can always tell you one thing. You need to believe yourself. We have got a great genetic makeup. Okay. Don't take this ultra processed foods. Don't take the refined oils, right? Invest time in sleeping properly. My dad has given me one good thing. He told no smoking, no, that was a different thing. But he has inculcated us 10:30 you should sleep. How many of you are sleeping at 10:30? Right? You have to understand there is a thing called diurnal. Okay? You have got a biological clock. That biological clock, if you don't maintain that, you are in for problems. That is going to your pineal gland, what is called that inside, it secretes something called melatonin. That melatonin, I think it's not listening to you also. So these are the basic things. You have to, all of your nutrition, you are going to practice nutrition and all that. You have to be a you need to stop asking them to start, what is the, I think I can put you on questions also, but that will pick you. What is the shelf life of a normal bread?
4 to 5 days.
20 days, yes. In our childhood, we used to have 1 day bread. If it is kept like that, there used to be some green used to come. Why that used to come? Fungus. Now it is not coming. Why? Preservatives. You have added lot of bromine products into that bread, which is killing us, which is causing us a problem. Only birthday celebrations okay, but we'll have daily birthday celebrations here. So what is to be done is a very tough thing. Build up nutritionally here. Once you are built up with nutrition, try to see that you need to work out some exercise also. So many things are there, madam, but how to avoid vaccine, and somebody has already had a vaccine kind of thing, we need to take an individual approach. We check his lymphocyte count, monocyte count and basophil count in the CBP. We check his HSCRP, we check his something like D-dimer. Based on that, we time the process. It takes nearly 2 to 3 months for somebody having some issues to solve it. Usually people are having, now chikungunya vachindi, na joint pains, these are all again back, it's all a common man. When we are looking at these parameters, we have not seen, if I take 100 people, out of them 30 people have disbalanced lymphocytes. Lymphocytes getting disbalanced is again a cause of worry. Your immune system is not properly working. It's jinxed. It's a disbalance.
What would be the lifetime of it? So how many years it is going to be?
Oh, you're talking about what is the kind of thing? Usually we talk about 3 to 5 years now. But in a country like India, if you are living, I don't think you will get any problems. We have access to sunlight. We have got water manchikle, madam. Hyderabad water. Regularly, I am talking again, going back to sunlight. Regular vitamin D is a synthetic vitamin D. Synthetic vitamin D is not going to be useful. It is good for the pharma things, not for you. Need to tell them they should properly take oil, apply some oil, and sit in the sunlight. It makes a big difference. A lot of other things also, ma'am. So we tried working on people having tendency to clots. We just check them with some. Always, ma'am, there are a lot of doctors can help you, but stay informed. Now, I tell you, now vitamin D, everyone is testing vitamin D, everyone is testing B12 levels. You don't need a doctor for that. Check your CBP also like that. If you have something issues, then we can work it. Yes, when you have high HSCRP, don't do strenuous exercise. Don't go and jump into that particular thing. We lost Puneet Rajkumar because of that. Okay? And then, madam, there is one thing saying in Hindi. When there is a fumes are there must be some fire. What happens is that there is something, fire is there, the fumes are coming, we are just wiping out the black soup there. Okay? Or in Hindi saying, I tell you, Tali do haath se basli. It has to be your weak immune system as well as some kind of a lot of things are there, but because of the time we can't talk everything.